Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to deposit USDT in TonKeeper. So let's start this video. Open TonKeeper application. Now once you are on the homepage of TonKeeper, just scroll down and then click on USDT under TonCoin. You have to click on receive, and here's the wallet address of USDT on TonKeeper. Just copy this deposit address. Now you have to open the exchange or any particular wallet which currently have USDT, so you can easily withdraw USDT from that exchange or wallet to your TonKeeper. So let's say I have USDT in my Binance application and I want to withdraw it to my TonKeeper. I will just open Binance application now and then click on withdraw. Now click on withdraw again, and then on the top search for USDT, select send via crypto network. Just paste that address over here which we copied from TonKeeper. As you can see, it automatically selected my network, which is Toncoin. No need to paste the memo because Toncoin currently don't have any memo. Just write down the withdrawal amount which you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 5 USDT. You just have to click on withdraw. If it asks for memo, you just have to click on this QR code option over here, scan QR code, and then just scan this QR code. So you can click on withdraw and then confirm your transaction. So in 1 or 2 minutes you will receive USDT in your TonKeeper. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.